Are you looking for a homemade fig jam that is so simple to make, yet so delicious and tasty? In this video, my husband and I will show you how to make the traditional Lebanese fig jam with walnuts and sesame. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. On an outside open fire pit, we dissolved 2 kilograms of sugar in 3 liters of water. Then we added 2 cardamom pods and some scented geranium leaves. After boiling the water for about 2 minutes, we started to add the fresh figs. Then we left them cook until they formed this foam on top. By this time, we added the sesame seeds and some walnuts. You will know the figs are done when you take one away from the pot and it looks just like you see it on the video. Lastly, we added a little of citric acid. And the fig jam is finally ready to be enjoyed. Just let it cool before you preserve it in glass containers. Enjoy!